So guys, last class we are completed to that collection framework. That collection framework, can you go ahead guys? What are the collection framework hierarchy is there? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Uh, Sir, there is a interface like iterable, and iterable extends collection, and collection extends three interface list, implements, then list implements array list, linked list, vector, and vector extends to start. And coming to set, set is an interface, and set implements hat set and linked hat set, and set extends sorted set, and the sorted set implements reset.
Excellent, guys. Okay. So guys, you people gone through that difference between array list, linked list, vector, stack. Which scenario we can go for that array list? Which scenario we can go for that linked list? Which scenario we can go for that vector and stack? And which scenario we can go for set implementation class? You people gone through that, guys. You people aware that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good, guys. So today we can learn to that word, guys. There is a map concept, guys. Map
Yes,
concept.
sir.
My screen not visible, right?
Not visible, sir.
One minute. Give me 1 minute, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, there is a map concept is there already. We had completed to that collection framework. Collection framework and a map is that map is a not part of that collection framework, guys. So collection framework is a separate concept, and when we can go for that collection framework, we will discuss today, guys. And what are the map? Map is a interface, and map interface there is a implementation class is there, guys. How many implementation class is there inside that? Map, guys. I think there is a three types of implementation classes there, guys. What are those? Can anyone tell me, guys? Map.
So HashMap, pre-map.
Yes. See here, guys. Map is a map is a interface. Map is a interface. Map is a part of the collection framework, but it does not implement a collection interface, guys. Right? Same as like we have a how we can implemented classes is there for that list interface and set interface. Same as like that map is a interface and there is a implementation class is there, guys. And a map store value based on that key and value pair, guys. That map can be stored that value based on that key and value, right? So in real time scenario we can see into that what, guys. We have a student, right, guys? In that college there is a student is there, right? So there is a student id is there and student name is there, right, guys? So how it is going to storing the data inside that map, I will show you guys that part. See here, this is that this is that what, guys, map. How it is going to store in that map is nothing but internally that what, guys, key comma value means that map object like this only, and it can be stored that value based on that key comma value, guys. It can be storing that value based on that key comma value. How it is, if people can check here, guys, that real time scenario also when we can go for to that map concept is nothing but if I want to represent it as a key and values, that unique key we have to require and duplicate value is there guys in real time scenario. That scenario we can go for that map concept guys. You people can check it is a key. This is the column can be represented as a key, and this is that column can be represented as a value, right guys? So say you people can check here guys, every employee or student you can take any example guys. I'm going to taking as a employee, and that employee can be store that word guys, that value can be stored based on that key comma value. How it is going to storing, this is that key as a word guys. I'm going to give an integer number, and value I'm going to give in word guys, string, right? You people can check here guys, I'm going to give in that value as a string, right? So and you people can check here guys, some one more employee is there, that employee can having to that word guys, there is a, you people can think Venkat, right? And one more employee is there guys, that is 103, and that value is that word guys, Suresh, right? So like that we can we can store that value based on that word guys, based on that key comma value, right? Like that value can be stored that inside that where guys, inside that map. This is that map can be represented as a, if when we can go for that map is nothing but, if I want to store the data, if I want to store the group of object as a key comma value pair, then we can go for that map interface guys. So map interface can contain that word guys. If people can check here, duplicate value of the key is not allowed in chart, and key must be unique with what guys, duplicate value are allowed. You people can check here guys, I'm going to store in that inside that map, there is a map means you people can check, see here guys, in real time scenario also is there. What are the unique values is there guys, every people can have that unique identifications is there. What are the unique identification, you people can be tell me guys. Every person can have that unique identification of the particular person. What are those?
Sir, key.
Yes, what are the key in real time scenario? What are the key?
101.
Yeah, that is that key. That is that employee ID and employee name we can identify. And instead of that in
Yes.
101, that other scenario is there, also is there guys. Other example also is there. You people can check guys. What are the you people also having that key comma value? Which one is that unique is there? Yet you or others also having, everyone having to that unique identification. There is a what guys, uh, card is there. Yeah, excellent. Aadhaar card is that every people can have that Aadhaar card, right guys? Aadhaar number is there. That Aadhaar number should be duplicate or unique guys. Unique. Yeah, only Aadhaar card is there. Any others also is there guys. You can identify what are the unique. PAN card. Excellent guys. PAN card also PAN card, unique. Yeah. And any others?
Voter ID card.
Voter ID card. Voter ID number. Yeah. Next.
Yes.
Next.
Mobile.
Excellent. Mobile number. Not mobile. Mobile number. Mobile number is that what guys, duplicate or unique?
Unique.
Unique only, right? So which one is that which one we are going to using in real time scenario as a unique, that if I want to storing as a key comma value, if I want to represent, then we can go for which concept guys, which concept we can go? Map interface. We can go for that map interface guys. There is a, we can go for that unique is nothing but we have a Aadhaar card number. And what guys, next one is that PAN card, PAN number. Next one guys, mobile number. we have a mobile number also, right?
Yes, sir.
Other number, PAN number, and mobile number. Next word, guys. Number
Voter
plate.
ID card number.
Yeah, number plate. Next one word, guys. Vehicle number plate, guys.
Voter
It is.
ID.
Yeah. And what, guys? Next. Voter ID number. Voter ID number. Next word, guys. Email ID, guys. Email ID also duplicate or non-duplicate?
The non-duplicate unique.
Yeah, email ID also unique. And every what, guys, device have it their IMEI number, right, guys? Device mobile, right? That scenario,
Yes,
which one is that unique is there, then we can go for that what concept, guys? Map interface, right? There is a what are the implementation classes there, guys? Inside that map interface, what are the implementation classes there? There is a three implementation classes there, guys. That is what? HashMap, linked HashMap, and hash table, guys. There is a three implementation class inside that map interface, guys. That is HashMap, linked HashMap, and hash table, guys. So, guys, you people can check here what is that HashMap and what is the purpose of we can go for that HashMap. Can you tell me, guys? HashMap map interface. You people can check here, guys. You people can check here. HashMap is that implementation class of which interface, guys? HashMap is a implementation class of which interface? Which interface, guys?
sir. That interface, sir.
Set interface. HashMap. Map, guys. Map is that interface. There is a three implementation classes there, guys. HashMap, linked HashMap, and hash table. It is not comes under collection framework, guys. This is that separate concept. When we can go for that hash map is nothing but if I want to store a value based on that key comma value pair, then we can go for that map interface. Map interface can contain that three implementation class, that is hash map, linked hash map, and hash table, guys. So what are the when we can go for that there is a what, guys, you people can check here, guys, limitation. What are the limitation inside that hash map? You people can check here, guys. Map interface is implemented by that hash map. Hash map class is implementing from where, guys? Which interface? Map interface. And hash map store that element by using that mechanism called what, guys? Hashing mechanism. Guys, you people, if you are really good into that what, guys, set interface, and what are the implementation classes there inside that set interface, and what are the data structure can having to that set interface implementation class, and what are the what, guys, what are the initial capacity of that has set is that implementation class. All those things is the same as like that set interface, but here is that extra thing is that what, guys, there is a key comma value pair can be stored the data inside that map interface, but coming to that has set interface, there is a what, guys, what that can be stored that homogeneous and heterogeneous object, it can be stored that has a set but duplicate not able to allow. Coming to that hash map, guys, hash map also can be stored that value based on that key, but key should not be duplicate, but value should be maybe duplicate, guys. Right. So that kind of scenario we can go for that hash map, guys. And what are the hash map internal data structure? It is going to fall into that, guys. Hashing mechanism means what are the, you people can tell me, guys, hash set is that a hash set asset is that implementation class is available inside that set interface is there, right guys? That set also asset also can be followed to that hashing mechanism internally, means that value that data can be storing based on that hash code, guys. Same as like a hash map also storing the data based on that hashing internally, it will be followed to that hash code only. We will see, guys, that part we can see very clearly. And that hash map internal implementation is that very important, guys, right? Really, in enter into that collection framework, which one is that important and which one is that most of the questions they will ask that interview prospective, means they will ask what, guys? Hash map internal work of that hash map they will ask, guys. How it is going to create in that hash map, and what base that value can be stored in that hash map, and what there is a some, what, guys, there is a some problem also it will be come inside that hash map. How we can resolve that what, guys, that problem inside that hash map, we will see each and every point inside that, guys, right? So it contains the value based on that key comma value pairs, guys. If we want to store that data based on that key comma value, then we can go for that hash map. And it contains that unique key, guys. That key is a unique and value should be may be duplicate, guys. Value may be duplicate, and you people can check here, guys. It can store that one null key and multiple null values, guys. It can be stored that one null key and multiple null values. And insertion order is not maintained, guys. But guys, you people can, when you people discuss about that hash map interface, you should be strong into that set implementation set interface, guys. What are the functionality can happen inside that set implementation classes, same as like that what, guys, map interface implementation class, same as like here. But different is that there is a not able to follow that key comma value. Here coming to that map, there is a key comma value can be followed here, guys. Okay, so guys, you people can check here, guys. Inside that hash map hash set, there is a order can be followed, guys. That in hash set
No, sir.
insert order is preserved in hash set, same as like that functionality can be followed here, guys. Insertion order is not maintained, and it is based on that hash code that of the value keys. It can be storing that what, guys, based on that hash code of that keys. And hash map is a synchronized. Hash map is non sorry hash map is not a synchronized, right, guys? So you people can check here, guys, how we can creating that hash map is nothing but this is the way we can creating that hash map, guys. This is the way we can creating that hash map. You people can check here, guys. Hash map is that what, or else you people can check here, guys. You people can check we can creating that hash map object in multiple scenario, like we can using to that what, map interface, and we can create that hash map object. And we can create in that hash map object. This is the way, guys. You people can check here, guys. Hash map is that implementation class, guys. The we can call this is the type safety. I said you that angular basis inside that angular basis we can what we are going to using that means data type we can use, guys. Wrapper classes we can use that wrapper classes when you are going to using inside that angular basis, at that moment which wrapper classes we are going to given, that data can be stored, guys. If you are going to give in that integer data, it can be stored that integer data only. If you are going to give in that what, guys, string data, then that string data can be stored that, guys. It is not able to store that others. If people can check here, guys, I'm going to using that what, key comma value. You people can check here, guys. Hash map data types, I'm going to give in that two data types here, guys. Two data types is nothing but you people can consider as a what guys? Wrapper classes. Wrapper classes, guys. I'm going to taking key as a long and what guys? Value as a string. Right? Key comma value, we can decide here only guys which type of data is that a key and which type of data consider as a value, we can decide here only guys inside that angular basis, right? So what should I to do? I'm going to give in that what guys, this is that reference variable and we can creating that object what guys, we can creating that object of that hash map, new HashMap guys. People can check here guys. You people can check here. This is that we can tell as a word guys. We can define that key comma value inside that braces. Type safety it is going to providing for the hash. Right guys. This is the way we can create in that hash map object. Guys, do you have any doubt into that creating of that hash map?
No.
No, right? So guys, you people can check here, guys. You people can check if this is that optional, guys. This is that long and string. When you are going to give in that what, guys? This is that optional, but it is that when you are going to decide at these things. This is that what, guys, is going to providing type safety, right? So what should I to do here guys? I am going to adding that what guys, employee data based on that employees id, employee id, every employee can have that employee number, right guys? We can state you can
Sir, without typesetting, can we not connecting like HashMap like this? HashMap equals to new HashMap.
yeah, that is the reason I said you guys we can do that. This is the option I said just now.
Okay.
Right? But when you are going to decide it like this, next onwards is that key comma value can be based on that this only, guys. That value can be stored this based on this only. I will show you that point also. Okay? Yeah. You people can check here, guys. You people can check here. What are the method if I want to add that element? If I want to add that element into that array list, what are the method is there, guys, in array list class?
So add method.
Add method. And coming to that set implementation class, what are the method is there guys for adding?
Same sir, add method.
Add method there also. But coming to that hash map guys, there is a what are the method is there guys?
That to get.
Get put method guys.
Sorry for this.
Put method is there. If I want to store that value, then there is a hash map can be supported. Put method. That put method can be expecting how many parameters, guys? Tell me. How many parameters it can be expected?
2 parameters.
What are those?
Long and string.
Excellent, guys. I'm going to give in that lang as a what, guys? I'm going to give in that lang and what, guys? Value. You people can check here, guys. You people can check here. I'm going to give in that key comma value here, guys. This is that this is the way we can add that element, guys. Map is that reference variable, guys. This is that map. This is the small letter, right? This is the reference variable of that hash map. Map dot put is that method, guys. That put method can be expecting two parameter, that is what, guys, long data, and I'm going to given that type safety, guys, that is string long and string data I'm going to give in, That is the reason it can be expecting long value and string values, guys. You people can check here. I'm going to give in that data as a stream. Next data I'm going to adding, guys. Next data I'm going to adding that what are the method, put method here. 102 is that what, guys? 102 is that key, and what are the value here is nothing but I'm going to give in what, guys? Suresh. And next values I'm going to give in here, guys. You people can check map data put of what, guys? Key is that 103 comma string is that what, guys? I'm going to give in power. Like that, we can add that element inside that map, guys. Guys, do you have any questions in that? How to
No,
create?
sir.
Yeah, you people can check here, guys. I will explain you that very clearly that hash map internal flow, how it is going to storing the data. I will explain you guys very clearly. That is that very helpful for you guys, but not today. I will explain you tomorrow. Okay. So guys, when you are going to storing that adding that element at that moment, what happened, guys? There is a hash map is that internal, there is a hash map is that what, guys? Default capacity is there, guys. What are the default capacity that hash map, guys? Tell me. We have a default capacity for that array list and hash set is there, right, guys? Say 16.
16.
Yeah, that 16 bucket will be created, guys. We can call as a 16 bucket, guys. This is that hash map, guys. When you are going to creating object of that hash map, at that moment internally it will be going to created like that one of the hash map object, guys. At that moment, what happened, guys? It is going to creating that what, guys? Key comma value it can be represented, and what, guys? It can be defining to that what are the default capacity of that hash map means. It can be what, guys? It can be storing that data as a key comma value means how it is going to store key comma value. You people can check here, guys. It can be, yeah, it can be represented as a key comma value like this, case, like this 16 bucket will be created, guys. How many?
It's not visible.
Sir, screen not visible. Screen not visible, guys.
Visible, sir. Visible, sir. Visible.
Can you check, Vinod, from your side? Sudhanshu, what? Yashwant,
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
visible, right?
Yes, visible, sir.
Yeah. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Like that, there is a hash map object will be created here, guys, and it will be started that index position what, guys? It can be started that index position what? 0.
0.
Yeah, it can be start that index position as a 0, guys. Like that, 15 bucket it will be created. 15 bucket it will be created, guys, like this. 11. So guys, I'm going to give in that dash dash because of that is not represented that every data. Like that, what, guys? 15 bucket will be created here. 15 bucket will be created, guys. Right? 15 bucket will be created, guys, and that value can be stored based on that what, guys, internal flow. I will explain you, guys. So you people, I'm going to give in that normally how it is going to storing the data is nothing but I'm going to give in that what, guys, simply I'm going to saying to that how it is going to store 101, guys. It is not able to, that order is not preserved. Just we can assume, guys, we can assume our data can be storing 101 and value what, guys, 3. No, it is not, order is not preserved. Where it is going to storing the data we not able to say, guys. It can be store the data based on that what, guys, based on that hash code internally, that internal data structure what, guys, linked list and hash table, guys. That hash map internal data structure what?
Linked list.
Based on our relation.
Hey, for that hash map, for that hash map, guys. What is the internal data structure, guys? It can be followed to that hash table, guys, only. It can be followed to the hash table and linked list, guys. I will show you that how it is come. Okay, that 103 data it can be stored what, guys, for one. It is not able to order, guys. It can be stored that every object having to that hash code, yes or no, guys. That see, guys, this is the
Yes, sir.
string object. This is that long object, guys. This is that wrapper classes. It is internal. It will be converted as a object. Okay. So that is the reason that value can be stored based on that word, guys, hash code, right? You people can check here, guys. Internally, it can be stored like this, and there is a key comma value. It can be represented like that only, guys. And later, what it will be happen that implementation, guys. I'm not able to say explaining to that implementation here, guys. I will explain you that internal workflow of that hash map. I will explain you tomorrow, right? So, guys, you people can check here that when we can go for that hash map concept and how it is going to store in that hash map data, and what are the default capacity that hash map, and what are the what, guys, you people can check here. Hash map can be stored the key as a null, one, only one null it can be allowed, and multiple null value can be allowed to store that in inside that hash map, right? Is it really it is possible or not? Can we check, guys? I will explain you that internal
Yes.
implementation of that hash map. I will explain you that tomorrow. Today we are going to discussing just what, guys, what are the map is a interface, and what are the implementation classes available inside that map interface, and how we can create in that hash map object, and which scenario we can go for that hash map object, and what are the possibilities is there inside that hash map. Then we can see today only, guys, with practically. Okay. Yeah. So, guys, coming to that POCs, I'm going to explaining here, guys, one POCs. So I'm going to remove to this, guys. Guys, we will complete Java a hash map today and tomorrow only, and we can start concept, guys. It is almost how many 2 months completed, right, guys?
Sir, 2 months.
How many months?
2 months.
2 months, sir.
2 months. Yeah, one more. We have a one more month for that word, guys.
Spring
For
Boot.
yeah, Spring and Spring Boot, we have a one more month. Then we can complete, guys, that. Then we can start that our project, guys. Okay.
Sir, when will we start Angular?
Yeah, Angular will be start, guys. When we have completed to that backend, then we can start. Okay.
Okay.
At that moment, we can take that extra time, guys. Guys, that front end side, we can decided that there is a we can do that. We can take as a React or Angular. We can decide, guys, because yeah. We can. I will decided that because of lot of inside that market what, guys. Most of the client required it to that React JS asking, guys.
React JS, yeah.
Yeah. So for that front end purpose, we can go for that. We will decide. Okay.
But as compared to Angular, React is very easy.
Easy, yeah. You people already complete.
No, sir, just some little bit I completed.
Very good.
Yeah. Sir, I actually can't understand like DOM path, React DOM path.
Yeah, we can discuss, guys. Don't document object model, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, before that, what is that? JavaScript is very, very necessary to understand React.js.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we can go, guys, that concept also. But you should be, guys, that front end side, you should be do that 70% you people can do that and 30% I will do. Okay. Because of we are most
Yes,
of the time we can focusing on that backend, then you should be what, guys, your support also required to that what, guys, front end side, right? Front end
sir,
is that
actually, I'm not strong in JavaScript.
JavaScript you are
Only
strong.
little bit I know.
Yeah, you should be strong, guys. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, without JavaScript, we can do like React also Angular.
Yeah, React.js is that falling to that JavaScript, but coming to that Angular, it is not JavaScript, guys. That is the TypeScript it will be followed. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, same as like
React is a library.
yeah, same as the JavaScript how it is happens. That is that what React also same, guys. That internally there is a TypeScript. TypeScript will become inside that what Angular, but inside that where
Yes.
JavaScript will come. Okay. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to create into that HashMap object. You people can check here, guys. Map. There is a two types of we can create in two ways. HashMap. HashMap also see here, guys. Immediately it will be expecting key and value, right, guys? K nothing but key, V
Yes.
nothing but value. I'm going to remove that, guys, and map equal to new HashMap, right? So I'm going to define what is the purpose of that Angular basis? Why it is getting, guys, providing type safety. Map that what are the method, guys? What is that method?
Put method.
How many object it is going to
Put
expecting, guys? Object key, object value. If people
Two
can,
objects.
yeah, two object. Key comes under as a object. Value also comes under what, guys? Object only. 101.
Yeah,
I'm going to
object,
give in. Yeah. See here, guys. I'm going to store in that object as a string object. I'm going to store in that 4 data here, guys. 101, 2, 3, 4. This. Oh. Right, guys. I'm going to printing the data system.out.println and what, guys, map. Guys, how many ways we can print that data value? You people to know, right, guys? We can print the data in multiple ways. See, you people can check here, guys. 101 Srinu, 102 Suresh, 103 Ramesh, 104 Pawan. It can be represented data as a key comma value, guys. Okay.
Yes.
So guys, you people can go through that. There is a map also. Some method is there, right? Example 2. Yeah, you people can check here, guys. I'm going to give in that map with examples. Then you can check here, guys. Right? So what are the methods is there? What is the key set? What is the values? What is the entry set? What is the contents value? What is the contents key? What is the contents value? Right, guys? You people can practice it, guys. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'm giving that a
Yes.
few method inside that hash map. Then you people can practice it, guys. Tomorrow we will go internally how it is going to store in the data. That implementation and that workflow
Yes.
I will explain you guys. Okay, guys. You people can complete
Yes.
these POCs, guys, and you can understand what are the hash map possibilities is there and what is hash map, and when we can go for that hash map, you should be read this point, guys. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys. Tomorrow we can see to that hash map in internal flow. Then before that, you people can come with that what this POC you should be complete. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. We
Yes,
can
sir.
see tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.